Ginger, scientifically known as Zingiber officinale, has been used for centuries not only as a spice in cooking but also for its medicinal properties. Here are some potential health benefits associated with ginger. 1. Digestive aid. Ginger is well known for its ability to aid digestion. It can help alleviate symptoms of indigestion, such as nausea, bloating, and gas. Many people consume ginger tea or ginger capsules to soothe their stomachs. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger contains bioactive compounds such as gingerol, which have potent anti-inflammatory effects. These properties may help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially providing relief for conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. 3. Nausea relief. Ginger has long been used as a remedy for nausea, including motion sickness, morning sickness during pregnancy, and chemotherapy-induced nausea. It is believed to work by affecting the digestive and nervous systems. 4. Pain management. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger may also help alleviate various types of pain, including menstrual pain, muscle soreness, and headaches. 5. Lowering blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that ginger may help lower blood sugar levels, making it potentially beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. However, more research is needed in this area. 6. Antibacterial and antiviral effects. Ginger contains compounds that may have antibacterial and antiviral properties, which could help in fighting infections. 7. Heart health. Preliminary research indicates that ginger may have a positive effect on heart health by lowering cholesterol levels and improving blood circulation. This could potentially reduce the risk of heart disease. 8. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that ginger may have cancer-fighting properties, though more research is needed to confirm these effects. It is thought that ginger's antioxidant properties may play a role in reducing the risk of certain types of cancer. 9. Weight management. Some research suggests that ginger may aid in weight loss by increasing metabolism and reducing hunger, though more studies are needed to confirm these effects. 10. Respiratory health. Ginger contains compounds that may help loosen mucus and soothe respiratory symptoms such as coughing and congestion. Ginger tea or ginger-infused steam inhalation may provide relief from respiratory infections and allergies.